Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using the palette that was collaborated between Makeup by Mario and Kim K. So here's the beautiful palette. As you can see, it has all shades of neutral colors with a pop of blue. Yes, I got really excited when I saw Mario was bringing out a palette with Kim K. As you all know, anybody, like any makeup lover would know, Mario is the king of makeup, and him bringing out a palette, it has to be good. So I decided to purchase it. And Kim Kardashian, we all know, like when it comes to makeup, like he does magic on her. So she's another huge, big celebrity. So I've decided to use this palette. I have already prepped my face, did my eyebrows, and I set my eyes using the Sephora brand. Let me show you guys. Sephora concealer. I use this as my primer to set it as a base. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. Enough rambling. So okay, so what I'm gonna do first is take this shade, I think it's called Miami. Yeah, this will be my transition shade. And just letting you guys know, if you heard like snoring at the back, it's my dog. He's sleeping, so sorry about that. It's kind of really gloomy out here today, so didn't want him to be outside the room while I was recording. So anyways, so I'm tapping out the excess and I'm putting it above my crease. And you know, one thing I noticed about this palette, they don't have, it doesn't have excess fallout. That's the best part. And you can do a lot of looks with this palette. Like, you will not get bored. Like, let me know guys, what do you think about my makeup look? I'm just a beginner, so any feedback I would really appreciate. It's going to help me get better in my videos. So now I'm going to take this light shade that's called Decade, and I'm going to use this on my eyelids. Now I'm going to take this shade next to Decade called Albanian. It's like reddish brown, and I'm going to use this on my crease. Yeah. Today the weather got so cold, so windy and raining. Yesterday was an amazing day. Me and my husband went out hiking. We did like 4 miles in the trail. That's like so unlike me. I was like dead at the end of the day. But it was fun. Yeah. I'm really looking forward for summer. How about... Okay. I'm going to take this shade called Vegas and put it on top of my eyelid. That will be my lid color. Yes. So I'm going to deepen the color. It's already pigmented, but I just want to deepen it more. So I'm going to use, on my last tutorial, I was using Maybelline setting spray, but I said L'Oreal. I realized after. So I'm going to wet my brush. It's a flat brush. Okay. So I'm going to wet my brush. And now go in with the shade, what did I say? Vegas, right? Yes. And you put it on my lid. Now I'm going to take another brush, like a small chisel brush, and use the same shade, Vegas. Put it on top of the eyelid, just to enhance the shade. So now I'm thinking I'm going to take a pencil brush. Should I take a precise one? Okay, I'm going to use this pencil brush and I'm going to take this dark brown color called Loyalty and put it, like tap it, the excess, and use it, just tap it in at the corner of my eyelid. Okay, same with the other side. Okay. Just tap it in, not too much. Yes. Okay. Just wanna, if you see that your brown shade that you use on the crease has got lighter light, so I'm gonna take it again, just go back and forth, see it goes with the other one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade just for the pop of color with the inner corner, the eye. I'm going to use the shade. What color is this? Is it Armenian? Yeah, Armenian. It's a shimmer gold color. So I'm going to use it. I did my eyeliner. I use Wet n Wild Mega Liner, right? I did a little wing, little, not too much, because I don't want the focus to go out of the eyeshadow. So then I use Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and on my waterline I used MAC Costa Rica eyelid pencil, and then on top I used Physicians Formula's gel liner. It's a trio. I used the dark brown shade, okay, just to deepen the waterline. So then I used on my bottom lashes, was first Albanian. After that I used on the outer corner this dark chocolate shade called, I get confused with the names, Loyalty, right? Because sometimes I'm confused, like it starts from left or the right at the back, because it says the name of the shades. Okay, and then at the front I went ahead and used Vegas just to smudge it out. So that's, I created my eyeshadow look, as you can see. Now what I'm gonna do is use my all-time favorite photo foundation from Wet n Wild. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tarte Shape concealer, and before that I'm gonna use a peach shade LA Girl concealer. Okay, so yeah, I have already wet my Maybelline sponge. Now I'm gonna spray it with the Maybelline setting spray just to dampen it a bit. It helps with the process. Now I'm gonna start with my face. Shake it a little. I love this foundation. I started using it from last year. It's one of my favorite. Yes. Oh, did I tell you guys? I'm in shade Amber Beige, and in MAC I am NC42. So right now, left is to do is my contour, bronzer, blush and all that. So I'm gonna use now the Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C15 to contour my face. I don't know if it's zooming or not. So yeah. So I'm gonna just use this to contour my cheeks. Yeah. So now, to set it, I'm going to use the same Maybelline Beauty Blender, and then I'm going to tap motion and stir. I'm going to attempt to contour my nose, same using the Makeup Revolution, and then do a line. Okay, and I'm going to use Sigma P84 brush. It's like this shade. Okay. Now, to set my face, I'm going to use LA Girl HD powder. Okay, like this. I would say it could be a dupe for Laura Mercier translucent powder. It does the same job, half the price. Yeah. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender. So now, to contour or to bronze my cheeks, I'm gonna use my, what should I use? The NARS one? Or okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever sculpting kit. I'm in shade 2. It has the white powder and also it has the bronzer shade. So for blush, I am using my Makeup Revelation palette. It's in shade Sugar and Spice. You can see. So now, so my highlighter, I'm going to be taking Anastasia's Amrezy palette. Look at the shade. Just look at it. How gorgeous it is. Take this Dome shade brush from Sigma. Just a little. And then use it on top of my cheeks. So my face is all done. Here we go. I'm using Wet n Wild gel lip liner in shade Bear to Comment, and use this. I'm going to use my Flower Beauty Cosmetics in shade Flower Beauty lipstick in Tickled Pink. It's a perfect pink nude color. Nice. And then on the other end, it's a lip gloss. On the other end they have lip gloss, and use this with a Dome shade. So this is my finished look. And then I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline setting spray to set my face to mold it all together. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and as I told you guys earlier, any feedback I would really appreciate. Let me know, and I hope you all are having an amazing day.